Alright, so this is still box number 1. What I'm thinking, my plan is to use, you go here, you scrape it and tease away the propolis from the strip, and then that makes it easier to pull it up. Alright. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to do that on all of them first before I start moving things around. It's not guaranteed foolproof. I can already see that I broke this one over here on that side, but yeah, now it's sliding down. I'm making the video just for this. Look at that. I need to move this frame out to the side. Maybe all these frames, the ones that got all the foundation. They need to be out to the side, so I can take them out anyway. Grab my hand down in there. All right, let's see what we got here. Pull that out, that one's stuck. All right, so you want your best frames, ones that got the most, as far as going into the winter, the most comb, perfectly filled with nectar, closest to the brood, which is going to be clumped together. That way these bees, we got plenty of time to start storing stuff, but this side is better than this side. So I'm going to slide this over. These sides are about the same. I'm going to say these are about the same.